Good day, sir. I'm Marchan Cortez from Base and Trip 2A. I decided the lesson in this video is all about point elasticity. What is point elasticity? The point is elasticity of demand measured elasticity for demand curve. So, naaaraman po ang curve ang point elasticity kung nag-i-increase siya or nagde-decrease or wala pong nangyayari or nasasabing inelastic, elastic or unitary. So I have to how to compute the point elasticity, and I have two problem about point elasticity. One is if income by 37% with causes for the quantity demanded to decreases from 22 to 15. The given is Q2 minus Q1 Q over Q1 over P2 minus P1 over P1. So the quantity demanded, the income is have 37%. So we'll compute first is the quantity demanded. So 15 minus 22. Since the quantity demanded decreases from 22 to 15, the Q2 is the Q2 is 22 to 15. So ang Q1 is 15 minus Q2, 22 over 22. So 15 minus 22 is 7. Tapos copy 22, negative 7 minus divide 22. The computation is negative 0.32. Tapos para maging whole number siya, dapat i-times siya sa 100. So the negative 30.32 times 100 is negative 32. So divide natin sa percentage, negative 32 of divide 37 is equal negative 0.87. So inelastic siya. Dito pa lang po sa part na to, malalaman na natin kung inelastic or elastic or unitary kapag dito kasi naging increase yung price niya kaysa sa demanded. Kaya pag nag-increase ang price is halangkaw sa demand, inelastic siya. So this is the computation and have two problem. If income decreases from 278 to 176 with causes for the quantity decreases by 71%. The given is Q2 minus Q1 Q over Q1 P2 minus P1 minus divided with P1. So 71, they have 71%. So let's compute the the prices or the income. Since the decreases from the income, the P1 the P1 is the P2 is 170 156 and the Q2 is 278. 156 minus 278 is negative 22. So transferred to the this and 278 ay negative 122 divided by 278. So uh, this is the computation of negative 122 divided 278 equals negative 0.44. Para maging whole number siya, dapat times natin siya sa 100. So, negative 71 divided by negative 44 um, is 1.61. So, this is the elastic. Uh, uh, Thank you, sir, and have a Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Thank you po.